How to trim your mug. After you've made your mug on the wheel and it's gotten to the leather heart stage, you're going to rewire tool it because it's probably stuck to the bat. So make sure you get it off, real careful. And you're going to check the dryness. If it seems a little too wet to trim, just wire tool it and turn it upside down. That way you give the bottom a chance to get dry. Use 2 hands so you don't mess it up. When it's leather hard and it's durable enough to go onto the griffin grip, you're going to pop the griffin grip on the wheel and hold the bottom and spin the top. And those little things will come off. You can turn them around, you can adjust. Then check the thickness on your mug, check the bottom and the sides. The goal is to create an even thickness throughout the whole entire piece. So on a mug, you don't really need a foot. Sometimes I just like a little bit of a foot, so I often have a thin bottom. You can see I'm tightening the griffin grip by holding the bottom and spinning the top. Now I'm ready to make sure that it is centered. I'm going to hold one finger steady in place and see if my finger bounces up and down on the project. Another thing that I do to make sure it's centered is I use my tools. These are my trimming tools. I'm going to drag out a circle by just gently holding it very slightly on the top, and it'll draw an automatic circle. And I can look at the circle and I can tell if it's centered. Mine right now isn't. It's thick on one side and it's thin on the other of the circle. So I have to adjust it. So I'm going to loosen the griffin grip and I'm going to push it towards the thinner side just a little bit, just to make a minor adjustment. Then I tighten it up again and I'm going to check it. And I again am drawing my circle. This time it looks perfect. So now I'm ready to trim. So in this case, I'm going to take a lot off of the sides of it and very little on the bottom because I didn't leave myself very much room. So I am holding my arms very steady. I work from the center outwards. You can see I start in the center and come out. And I am going to leave a little bit of a foot, and I'm going to make that nice and clean and make sure everything's level. I hold my arms steady and I brace myself as I'm cutting. I also like to leave a little bit of a gap at the bottom, just for glazing's sake. I like a line so that the glaze will stop at the line and not go all the way down to the kill shelf. Put your name on it when you're done and add your handle. Don't forget, clean up your bat and store it. Don't leave me messy bats. Have a great day.